Guys, welcome back to my channel. Rabaya here, and today I'm gonna be opening something very cool. It's the copy of mc² dolls, and it's a fake doll, but it is looking so nice. And she came with the hoverboard, and I'm so excited for this, and I hope it will work. She speed forward, go backwards, and do 360 spins. Here is the back of the box. And she is remote controlled. So let's get her out of the box. The packaging is not very nice. Here is she out of the box, and the doll is really pretty. Look at her eyes, so pretty. Her eyelashes are super cute, and her jacket is so nice. It's so nice, so fuzzy. She has articulation at the hands only, but has a little dirt stain on her hand. So bad. Although she is very nice, her legs are not bendable or articulated. She's wearing glittery black shorts and white shirt, and of course these very nice joggers. And her hair are so nice, but you know, I can see her head very clearly. Now let's take a look at her hoverboard. It is pink and purple and has a stand so doll can stand easily. Remote is also in pink and purple color. And of course, she came with some accessories. Oops. They're very tiny. Oopsie, everything is falling down. First, helmet is for safety, as if she falls down, her head cannot be hurt. Take off the plastic. And some knee pads and elbow pads. Okay, so I just put some batteries in the hoverboard and its remote, and now I'm so excited to just let her ride on this. So let's give her her helmet, and the helmet is so cute. And let's close that from here. And come on, yeah, it is so soft. And let's give her knee pads. Oh, it's so tight. I just took off her really very nice jacket. This is so nice, so soft. And now let me give her elbow pads. Okay, it's fine, I think. Yeah, it's fine. And another. And I just put them. Now let's stand her on her hoverboard. I will take off her stand. It's little buttons over here. I just took off her elbow pads because her hands cannot be folded. So I just took off them. And now I will just give her a stand. Oh, it's taking off. Okay, it's fine now. Now it's time to ride, and let me see it works or not. I'm so scared and so excited as well. Here is the button, and wait, I forgot to turn on. It's turned on. No, sorry, it was open. And it's on to set her foot, and she's falling apart. And let's go. What? It's not working again. It's not working. So let's work. Okay. Oh my gosh, she's fall down. Oh. So let's give her a ride. Okay, I'm so scared. It's working. Oh my god, it's working. I'm so happy. Let's turn her. Okay. Wow. Oh, she's falling down. So nice. Oh, where to turn her now? I'm kind of confused now because I have her first time, so I'm confused that how it will work. Hi everyone. So I'm very happy with her, and I was also scared that it will work or not. But it worked. Very nice. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I really love this. Take care. Bye bye.